are going to take up the Dynam Super Cub today. Yeah, it's a bit windy. Yeah, it's probably somewhere around 10 miles an hour right now, maybe a little more. But it is, this plane should handle it just fine. I flew the timber earlier and I don't think I had the battery far enough forward for the wind to make it more stable, but once I did that, it flew great. So we're going to keep on flying until Mother Nature tells us we can't. So up she goes. Little Dynam Cub. It's a great flying plane. Good surface check.
Throttle cut off. Throttle cut off.
Rudder.
Throttle cut off.
Should not need any flaps today. Breeze is strong enough. Right up in the air. Gonna have to fly her with power today. To push through the wind. Look how beautiful that's done. I'm sure you can hear the wind on the camera. And this plane is flying on the LemonRX stabilized 7-channel. And the wind is picking up a little. Flying pattern right now. Not going to try any maneuvers. Seeing how the planes are going to handle. Normally I wouldn't even charge batteries just because the day is supposed to get worse as it goes on. System landing. We'll sure push these littler planes around. This thing's doing absolutely fantastic. It's 1270 millimeter. And I'm just pleased as flying right now. The wind is definitely picking up. Isn't she a pretty plane though? Ooh, flying sideways. Getting gusty. Let's not let it turn. Let's get that out of there. Maybe we should start landing further back so it stops in front of me. Yeah, maybe that's what we'll do. Alright, I have 2 minutes still on my timer. So I'm going to go ahead and burn some of that up. Up ever so slightly. And this receiver I think we better call that good. Look at that. Oh. Even on the ground, slow taxiing. I'm telling you, it's windy out here today, folks. We'll slow down, check for damage. Ooh, trying to lift the Waco up. It can fly on its own. Damage, dirt on the spinner. Alright, I think we're gonna call that flight right there.